Hey, what's up everybody? In this video I'm going to be opening the Trezor. I'm going to be going over the security benefits of using a hardware wallet, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to start this bad boy up, and we're going to get right into the box. So let's dive right into it. So I have two Trezors here. You want to make sure first of all that there's a seal right here and that it's not teared. There's actually two of them, as you can see. So with this Trezor, you could see as well that there is no seal. It's not sealed, or they are sealed, it's not cracked is what I meant to say. So you want to make sure that that's not opened. If it is, you want to send it back to Trezor or the person you bought it off. So we're going to open this and we're going to get right into the box. So let's crack it open. Let's just rip into this one. Just, I'm a savage. I did not prepare for that. Okay, so let's check out this box. That fell apart. Okay. Oh, there's something left. Or nothing left now. So, box. We have your personal recovery seed. So, do not disclose the seed to anybody. This is where you'll type your 24 words. These are stickers with the Trezor. Cool. I got a white one. Bad boy. Looks sexy. And two more stickers. I personally don't use them just because I think you can make yourself look as a target. People know you have crypto on your laptop. That's for your 24 words as well. If you want to give two copies, one for yourself, one for your spouse or somebody else. This is to plug into the Trezor, obviously, and this is like a for your keychain, or if you want to hang it to yourself or whatnot and just secure it. So that's it. That's a look inside the box. Let's get this started up and let's start using this thing. Okay, so now we have connected our Trezor. It's a white Trezor and a black cord. I actually got a longer cord so I could show you guys in the video. This is a small cord that they supplied with it, but I'd rather a white cord with my white Trezor. That's just my thoughts. So it says, welcome, please visit trezor.io/start. So let's type in start. And let's click Trezor 1 because that's the one we have. And there we go. So your Trezor is not backed up. Create a backup in 3 minutes. I highly recommend it. Actually, it's not an option. We're going to do it together. So you have to do this. So it says your recovery seed is the backup key to all your cryptocurrencies and applications. Your recovery seed can only be displayed once. Never make a digital copy of recovery seed and never upload it online. It's very important that you hide it and you don't tell anybody where this is unless you want the person to have access, maybe your brother, sister, mother, or whatever it is. But other than that, don't tell anybody. So you understand. Things to avoid: don't take a photo, don't put it onto the computer, no cloud storage, and never upload it to the internet. Never, ever, ever. So write down your recovery seed. On your Trezor, you will now see a unique combination of 12, 18, or 24 words. So you guys can see right here. And I'm going to write them down, so I'll be 1 second just because they will verify that you've written them down and will ask for some of the words. So give me 1 minute and I'll write them down really quickly. Okay, so I just finished the 24 words. You guys can take a look. I'm gonna restart the device so don't try to steal this wallet, and you guys can see that we're done, so we're gonna click. It says check your seed. Your Trezor device will now display 24 word seeds again, and these words as your backup. So we'll just go next. As you can see, maybe we hit 24. Okay, you have successfully backed up your device. Woo! I want to continue later? No, let's go. Why should you name your device? By customizing your device name, you can be sure that the Trezor in your hand is yours. It may also help distinguish between different Trezors. So, let's go with Lambo 3 O's. Confirm. We want that name on here. Confirm. And you chose a wonderful name. Thanks. I know I did. Enter a new pin. So you definitely want a pin on this. So you don't want anybody just plugging it in and having access to your Trezor. So let's confirm a pin. And it's pretty cool because it shows you the numbers on the screen, as you can see here, but you don't see them on the actual computer. So as you can see, this would be 1, the one right here. So let's just do 1, 1, 1, 8. Enter pin. It's gonna ask me again. Now these have moved, so it's pretty secure if you ask me. It's so like if you had like a keylogger, even though you're not striking a key, you are typing them, which I wouldn't just click them in. Or if somebody was looking over your shoulder, they wouldn't see what you're actually typing in. So 1, 1, 1, 8. Enter pin. Done. So every time I use this, I'll be putting in a pin, which is the smart thing to do. So that's basically it. We have created our wallets. You can leave this plugged in. You can look for transactions here, receive, send. When you look at your wallet, it shows you your full address here as well. You have to enter in the pin. So let's do it, 1118. It always changes those numbers. And you can see the address posted on your Trezor just in case you got a virus or a Trojan and they try to, change the address quickly before sending out a transaction. So it's great to double check there and you can continue. So looking at other wallets, you can go Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Gold, Dash, Dogecoin, Litecoin, and so on. They hold up to 500 coins. Another thing you might want to do with your Trezor is go to my Ether wallet, because if you want to hold ERC20 coins, if you want to hold ICO tokens, then this is the place to do it. I like to facilitate my Ether from or using my Trezor, but from my Ether wallet. It's pretty secure. So let's connect using the Trezor. Connect. Okay. Export data. And then you can see all the wallets it gives you. You have up to, I'm not sure, maybe 20, 30 different Ethereum wallets. So I just use the first couple ones. Let's use this one. Unlock your wallet. And that's how you would access your Ethereum on your Trezor using myetherwallet.com, and that's how to access ICO tokens, which would be right here. So that's basically it for Trezor. I'm a big fan of this. I've given out so many, maybe like 10. I have one here as well on the side just in case I ever lose mine. I could just quickly restart it. And that's about it for Trezor. Very easy to use, very user friendly. I love it. I'm sold on it. So I would suggest buying this. I really do back this. Hasn't given me any problems yet. I think white is a super great color as well. So thanks for watching this video. That's about it. If you have any suggestions or want to see anything all about crypto, any coins, any specific hardware or exchange, let us know and we'll get on top of that. So make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.